Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new to the channel, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Solana. Alright, my Solana holders, let's get right into it. If we're looking at the price of Solana right now, currently trading at $22, down 4.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down about 1.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, the market cap is currently sitting at $8.6 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at $737.5 million. So what is happening with the price of Solana and where we could be going in the immediate short term? You guys know what time it is, so let's get right into the price analysis. Before I jump into the price analysis, just a quick disclaimer for everyone that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So if we're looking at the price of Solana right now, something very interesting is happening within the price of Solana. So as you guys can see, the price is a little bit of seeing a little bit of a cool off happening within its price, to be exact. If I bring out the measuring tool for you guys can see Solana has seen a retracement of about 16%. So why is this cool off happening? Now you may be saying, is this the end? Are we about to see Solana go back down to this level of support at this $18 mark? What happened to all that momentum that we had on our side? What is going on? This is scary. What is going on? Cryptocurrency is never going to go up. Relax, settle down. The king of the market is seeing a cool off, and we need to accept that. If you cannot accept that, look elsewhere. Cryptocurrencies is not for you, and I'm going to be straight up to anyone that is going to come and say that. If you think you are going to see an altcoin outperform Bitcoin all the time, guess what? Cryptocurrencies are not for you. Look elsewhere. This right here, king of the market, that's why we examine this coin on a single daily basis. Every time I do a video, we always look at Bitcoin, and this is why. I hate when comments come in, people saying, why did we see this dump happen? Go look at Bitcoin. It's the king of the markets. It's the leading indicator, and this has correlation for the entire market. So you guys can see Bitcoin is seeing a little bit of a retracement within its price, seeing a cool off happen. And if I bring out the measuring tool for you guys can see, since yesterday, we have seen a drop in the price of Bitcoin of about 7%. And we're seeing obviously altcoins get hit double. And obviously Solana is, gone down more compared to Bitcoin, which is no surprise at this point because Bitcoin dominance is increasing. So obviously altcoins are going to bleed even harder, and that's what's happening right now. And now you may be saying, is this the end? Absolutely not. Remember, Bitcoin has shown us the power of itself this year, and a lot of people underestimate that. Let's go look down memory lane. At the beginning of the year, if you picked up some BTC, which was at $16,500, yes, you've heard that correct, and you bring out the measuring tool for you guys, you saw Bitcoin make a move of almost double. Yes, let that sink in. And seeing a little bit of a cool off is very much overdue, and this is totally okay for what Bitcoin is doing. So what is going to happen when Bitcoin does this? Altcoins are going to react to that. And right now we're seeing altcoins in red. So obviously Solana is no exception. And right now comes the question, so what are some next price targets we could be looking at? So if Bitcoin continues its momentum towards the downside, potentially could see Solana revisit at this level of support around this $20 range. There's a lot of support built up around here. Depending on the cool off, if we go below the 61.8, then, I would be a little we don't want to be seeing that. Obviously, if we trade within the 61.8, we'd be okay. But honestly speaking, if the price of Bitcoin were to even go down to that $25,000 mark, that is still quite healthy. Yes, you heard that correct. So I'd be totally fine with that. Even if that were to happen, that would still put us in higher high, higher low pattern, because that would mean the higher low would be around the new higher low would be around the 25k mark, which would totally be okay. So this would give a lot of people opportunity to accumulating Solana if you still want to do so. You guys know my Solana target. Remember, look what Solana has been doing. Look how strong this project has been holding since the beginning of the year, despite some uncertainty. still held above this level of support very, very strong. So this should show the interest that people have in Solana. Not only that, Render is switching blockchains and migrating to Solana from Polygon. That speaks for itself. I cannot be more bullish on this project, and I really do believe that the next price target, after we obviously break out of the yearly high, which is at the $27 mark, the next target I'm looking at would be at that $40 price point. So obviously, if we're looking at it right now, comparing it to $40, it's better picking it up here rather than picking it up at $40 a pop. But you guys know my stance on Solana. I really do believe Solana is going to make a massive comeback. And remember, altcoin season hasn't even started yet. When that begins, that's where people will be remembering, it was at $20 at one point. So obviously not everyone's going to make it. Some people are going to lose. That's just part of the game. But on the Crypto ZX channel, all my viewers are the winners. And I love each and every one of you guys. This is the current scenario that it's looking like for Solana. Strong support. But obviously we do need to keep the price of Bitcoin in mind. Love you all. See you tomorrow. I've been Crypto ZX and peace out.